Hi everyone, Sarah from the Ellet Branch here to show you our take-home crafts for the month of June. For the month of June, we actually have two crafts, one for school-age kids and one for preschool children. This one is the preschool craft. It is a rocking snail. So if you come to the library, you will pick up a kit that will have everything you need to make your rocking snail. If we open it up, dump everything out, we will find 2 paper plates, some tissue papers, they kind of go everywhere, a small roll, this has some glue dots, and a pipe cleaner. Also, we have 2 wiggle eyes. So in addition to the things in your kit, you will also want to have a glue stick, maybe some tape. If you don't have a glue stick, you could use a bottle of regular glue. It'll just take a lot longer for your craft to dry. And you might also want some markers. So what we're gonna do is take one of the plates, we're gonna fold it in half, just like this. This is going to be the body of your snail. If you would like, you can use markers to color this part of the snail, or you can leave it plain. I'll take a marker and we'll just give this snail a mouth. We're gonna give it a blue mouth. All right, so there's a smile for our snail. With the other paper plate, we are going to add the tissue paper as decoration. So if you have a glue stick, you can just kind of smear lots of glue and then place your tissue paper on top of the glue. You'll have to add some here and there. If you want, you can take your time and make a nice pattern. You can also use markers to fill in spots, or if you have other pieces of paper or things around the house that you could glue onto the plate, you could do that also. So we'll pretend that I glued the whole plate. And then we're going to attach the 2 plates together. So we want to use this part of the snail's body and the back of the paper plate. So we will take our glue stick. You could also use tape if you want. And we will glue all over. We want lots of glue because we want this to stick well. And then you are going to press the shell, the snail's shell, on, just kind of hold them together for a little while. So we're gonna press it together so that it sticks. All right, so we have our body with the shell attached. Now the pipe cleaner, you're gonna wanna fold it in half, and I like to give it a little twist. This is gonna be the antenna and eyes of our snail. This is what the glue dots are for. So you can unroll the glue dots and you can stick one of the eyes on, and when you peel it off, the glue dot will be stuck to it. And you can stick that on one pipe cleaner. And then we'll take another one for the other eye. And we'll attach this eye. And then we have a 3rd glue dot on here. That glue dot you want to attach to the front of the twisted part. You're gonna peel off the paper so we have the glue dot stuck right there. And then we're just going to attach it to the back of the snail body. And then if you want to move your eyes around, you can adjust them a little bit. But that is the rocking snail craft. If you find that your eyes fall off, they don't always stick to the pipe cleaner with the glue dots, you can use a little piece of tape and that will help hold the eyes on. After you make your craft, you could look for some snail stories, such as The Biggest House in the World by Leo Leone, or Slow Mo by Deborah Kerbel. So check out those snail stories when you make your snail. Also, in the month of June, we are starting the summer reading club again. So June 7th, you can come to the library, or you can go online to Akron Library's website and sign up for the summer reading program. So we look forward to seeing you this summer. Bye.